Welcome back to online classes. So children, previous class we have discussed about the importance of water. How the water is very important to us. We will use the water for various purposes. Yeah, children, we will use the water for brushing, washing our face, bathing, drinking, and even though in the kitchen also your mummy will use water for cooking, cleaning the floor. She will use the water for garden, and then wherever the fireman use the water to off the fire. Yeah, the children, and I have shown the some images. Let me revise all those things whatever we finished in the previous classes. Yeah, the children. So, all living things are people, animal, plants, trees, bird, insects, aquatic animals. They all are depend on water. Yeah, the children. If there is a no water, then there is a no life on the earth. There is a no life on the earth. Water is very precious. It's a very precious. One drop of water also very important. If in your home there is a leakage of water, tap is there. Okay children, there is a leakage tap, and from the tap drop water is falling. So full one day we are wasting the 3 buckets of water. 3 bucket water we are wasting because of this leakage tap. Sometimes what will happen? The pipeline system will damage in between. The pipeline system, it is breakage in middle only. From there only water is going like it is a sprinkling. Yeah, the children. So here, if you not repair, if you not fix it, then what will happen? We will waste more than 5 to 6 bucket of water. Yeah, the children. So whenever in your home there is a leakage tap or breakage pipes is that, call immediately plumber and fix it, repair it. Okay children, because we have to save the water. In so many places people won't get the water. For 1 bucket of water they have to stand in queue. From morning 5 o'clock they will make a line for to take a 1 bucket of water. Yeah, the children. So we should not waste the water. So water is very important. 1 bucket of water also very important children. So children, so we should not waste the water, because some people won't get the water 1 bucket also. For that water they have to stand from morning. Yeah, the children. So whenever you find in your home there is a leakage of tap or breakage of water pipe, immediately you should call the plumber and fix it, repair it. Yeah, the children. So we only not using the water here, even animal, plants also use the water. Animal use the water for drink and they take the bath to keep clean their body. Plants need water to live too. Yeah, the children. So I have shown some images for washing the car, giving the water for plant, taking the bath. You should use the bucket only instead of using the hose pipe and shower. Yeah, the children. So these are the things we have discussed in the previous class. Now, children, have you thought going in sea, ocean, lakes, stream and seas. Hello children, so rain is the main source of water. Here, how we get the water? From rain only. Rain is the main source of water. So from rain we get the water. When there is a rain, see here children, when there is a rain, so that rain water is collected, or you can see the rain water filled the river, lake, stream, pond and seas. And this water, which water is filled in this river, lake, this water we are using. Clear children? So how we get the water? We get the water from rain. Rain is the main source of water. So you will go to river, lake, stream, pond and sea to take the water? No. Then how we get at home this water? This water we get at home by the pipeline system. We get the water this from pipeline system. Here in your home you can find the tap. Tap means what? Nala. You find the tap, no? When you on the tap, you will get the water. So how it is? It is possible because of this water pipeline only. Yeah, the children? It comes to houses through pipes only. Nowadays you can see the municipality tap. The time is fixed. 9 o'clock means 9 o'clock only. Early in the morning, the water comes. What the people will do from morning, before that water comes, before only 4 o'clock, they will get up and they keep the bucket, pots, tumbler, all they will make a line. Like this, they will keep everything. Or otherwise, they will stand. Why they stand there? Why they keep this all the things in queue? Because they want this water. They are waiting for water only. Yeah, the children. But we getting water in home very easily. But what about other people? They should wait for this tap only. This municipality tap only they have to wait. Clear children? So we get the water at home through pipelines. So this water, we get water at home by turning a tap. Already need sitte. So this is the clean water. Whatever water we get in the home from the tap, it's a clean water. It's not coming directly from river, lake, stream to our house. There should be some processes there. They will do this water sedimentation, filtration, chlorination, and then finally this water will supply to all the water pipes only. They will filter and then later they will send this water to all the water pipeline system. Okay children, how your daddy is bringing the can water? He will go now in the shop where that water they will filter. Drinking water, that is the filter water. We have the same thing here also. They will filter and then finally they will send to water pipes. And that water is very clean water. Yeah, children. So, this is the rain is the main source of water. Again and again how we get the water, we'll see. the river, lakes, stream, pond or sea. So we see formation of rain, how the rain forms, how we get the water. Okay children, when the sun rise, we can see the water is started to evaporate. The water is started to evaporate. When the rays comes here, this water start to evaporate. Now you are thinking, what is the evaporation? First to understand the meaning of evaporate. When your mother is boiling the water, she will cover, no? Yes. So when she covers that vessel or tube in which she will make the water to hot. So see this here, she covered. When you remove this lid, what you can see? You can see the small tiny droplets. ಸಣ್ಣ ನೀರ್ particles, water particles ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದ್ರಿ. We can see the small particles. That is called the water vapors. We closed. So what happened? Everything that vapor, it is touch on that lid only. When you remove that lid, you can see that steam is going up. ನೀವು ಢಕ್ಕನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದು ನೀವು ಏನು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದು ಸ್ಟೀಮ್, ಹಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟೀಮ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ಅದು ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಇವಾಪರೇಟ್. ವಾಟರ್ ಇಸ್, ಇದು ನೀರೇನಾಗಿದೆ, ಬಿಸಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದು ಬಿಸಿ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಆ ನೀರು ಇದು ಸ್ಟೀಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೆ, ಆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, when the sunrise, we can see with the help of this rays, this water is heating, it's becoming warm, and then this water, it is taking the form of steam only, the steam, and that water vapor, it is going to up, it is evaporating, it is going to up, then it's made the form of cloud only, that evaporates. Which water is evaporates, that steam is going up, it takes the form of clouds. See here, in that clouds, what is there? In that clouds there is a tiny droplets of water. ಇದು steam, ಇದು ಪಾತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ನೀರಿದೆ, ಬಿಸಿ ನೀರಿದೆ, ಹಿಂಗನಿಂದ ಕೈ ಇಡ್ರಿ, ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಸ್ಟೀಮ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪಾಮಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಟಚ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಮ್ಯಾಶ್ ದಟ್, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪಾಮ್, you can feel that water, that is called the tiny droplets of water. You know, that steam is what? Steam is what? Tiny droplets of water only. The same thing here also, the steam is going up, this water is evaporating, the tiny droplets of water, small tiny droplets of water, it is joined together and they form a clouds. ಅದು ಸಣ್ಣ ನೀರೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಹೆವಿ ವಜ್ಜೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. To gathered that all the tiny droplets and make a cloud only. Then what will happen? It becomes too heavy. So this clouds becomes too heavy. ವಜ್ಜೆ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀರು ವಾಟರ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಜ್ಜೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ವಜ್ಜೆ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಳೆ ಸಿಗ್ತೆ. Will get the rain. Will get the rain. Again this water, it's flow into the river, lake, stream, pond and sea. Again then what will happen the next day, again when the sun rise, the same process is going on. You can see again water cycle. So now understood the formation of rain. So from earth to sky, sky to again come back to surface. So this process is called the water cycle, and this process in the nature it is keep on going on. ಇದು ಬರೇ ಚಕ್ರ ಇದು ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. That is called the water cycle. Here evaporate means what? Evaporate means what? Tiny droplets of water. Evaporation means what? Tiny droplets of water. Okay children, so this is called the formation of rain. How will we get the rain? This is the formation of rain children. It is the formation of rain, and this process, this cycle is called the water cycle. Okay children, so I will show you the one small video related to the water cycle, then you will understand very easily. Sorry, here I will show you the water cycle video. Just to see children. See how the rain is falling. With the help of rain only, the plant, trees grow. See here, when the sun rises, you can see water is going in the form of steam, the changing of water into a gas. Change of water vapor into water droplets is called condensation. See that small tiny droplets, they form a cloud. See that small tiny drops. When that clouds becomes heavy, then we get the rain. This is called the water cycle, and this process is going on in nature. Changing of water vapor into water droplets. Water falls from the sky in the form of rain, snow, or hail. This process is called precipitation. Oceans and lakes collect water that has fallen. So rainwater is collected in the ocean, lakes, stream, ponds and seas. Water evaporates into the sky again and again, and the cycle continues. You can see children here steam. when your mother is boil the water, you can find the steam. Children, that means that is a gaseous form. When you cover it, that same water, then you can find the tiny droplets on that lid. That is called water vapor. Droplets of water. Yes, children, just now I have shown the one small video about the water cycle. Water in nature is always moving, rising up to form clouds, rising up to forms clouds, and then coming down again as rain, and that rain water is collected in the sea, ocean, lakes and ponds. That is called the water cycle. And remember children, this process is keep on going in nature. Keep on going it is. That is, so it is called a cycle. Cycle means what? Which process is keep on going on. That is called the cycle. And I have shown some images of the tiny droplets of water and steam. Yeah, the children. So in today's class, what we discussed, children, we discussed how the formation of rain, and rain is the main source of water, and how we get the water. So these are all the things we discussed in the today's class. So we will see the difficult words in this topic. So what is the difficult word? Nature. What is that? Nature. Then moving. Cycle. Evaporation. Lake. Stream. River. Pipes. Then rising. Then clouds. So these are the some difficult words. See the nature, Nature. Nature. Children, repeat after me. Nature. Moving. Moving. Cycle. Cycle. Evaporation. Lake. Stream. River. Pipe. Pipes. Rising. Clouds. Nature, moving, cycle, evaporation, lake, stream, river, pipes, rising, and then clouds. Okay children. Now today's homework is you have to write this all the words 2 times. These all the words you should write the 2 times in EVS notebook. ಇವತ್ತು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅದು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ಡೇಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕಿ ನ್ಯೂ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಟೈಮ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. So I will conclude my class and the same thing I will continue in the next session. Thank you children.